back in our tractor hardware. So I'm not just installing this third function valve and putting this whole tractor together from scratch and trying to put it together in chronological order so it saves time in the long run. Let's bring this with me. Let's bring this with me. And it's just a lot easier to do this with the fender off. Save a lot of time. These two 10mm bolts here. That lever's right in my way. Get out of my way. Oh. Let's get that lever on the other side. Yeah, a little Loctite. Really don't want to over torque these bolts. That cause them to break. So they just need to be perfectly tightened in. So let's make sure it's squared on that little perch first. Perfect. About as tight as you can palm a 1/4-inch ratchet. Perfect. Alright, next step we need to get into here. So we got a 10. I just had the 10 out. We can do this in one shot. I think this is it. Wait a minute. Is this one? I think I'm gonna have to loosen all these. Loosen. Loop. Didn't have to take it all the way out. And I need a Phillips. About to use motorcycle on this snap-on. Uh-oh. Oh, I just got that screw out. Up here. Full throttle. How are we feeling? Is this free now? There we go. Good thing I didn't attach the steering wheel all the way. Give you guys a better view. Probably could sneak it right now. Right? Where are we? There's the wire. All right, let me disconnect this and we'll be right back. It shouldn't be that hard. It's just this and this. And this little guy here. Damn it. I thought I did it. I thought I pinched it. There we go. Let's just get that right out of the way. So we have directions for everything here. And here we go. This is the ROPS model. Okay, there it is. There it is. relay bracket. Get that one mounted some bolt. That's gonna go there. That's gonna go there. Come on. Slide on in. There we go. Click. It certainly looks like I'm just teeing into the ignition on this one. Or is that not the case? No, that's not the case. Not the case. Must be close. Is this it? Yep, see it does showing you. Teeing into that one. Shows it in the middle though. Alright, come on. Get out of there. Let's go on the other side. If I look like a fool because I'm doing it the first time. First time. There we go. Now that will go into there. The 16 in somewhere. Now here we go. Here's the picture. Looks like I just unplugged like I was. Plug that one into that one. Put the relay back on the one it tees in with. We can do this. That was close. Maybe I can just sneak this in like that and do a little something like this. There we go. Neaten that up. Drop it down. We might need more slack, I'm not sure. I know, because basically at this point now, so these two here are going to be plugged into there and there. Keep the cocker out. And like I said, after we get this all put together, if you don't like the way the buttons feel and you want them switched, switching these two connectors right here are a lot easier than you know, switching colors and fittings and making a freaking mess, yeah. Alright, so now what do we gotta do? We gotta get this wire to here. Nothing there. Nothing there. What do you think? Which wire we got? I like to cut it close. Just drop these through there. So they go through nice and neat. Get the twist out of them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, those are just the regular ones. So we can definitely jizz them up. Oops. Alright. 2 and a 2. Click it or ticket. 4 and a 4. And a lonely black one here. Boom. Alright, technically we're looking pretty good now. It's got zip tied up. We'll zip tie it up real nice, so. Should we do a dry run? Alright, let's do a dry run. I'll be right back. Negative zip top for shipping, 10 millimeter. Get that in the ignition here. Plug this one back in. Keys, keys, keys. Let's see at the third function valve. Lights up. Then I'll check over the machines, oil, and stuff. Ooh, lights on. Turn that off. Turn that off. What's going on here? It's like both. The blinker and the hazards are on. Alright, green light is on. It's good. How about some clicky? Oh yeah. Double good. Double good. Alrighty. Let me get this back together. Check the fluids over. Come back and start this up and check over for leaks. Yeah, nice stuff. You probably could have left them in there. As you can see, it just makes it easier to get it on out of there. Alright, so you really want to make sure that you don't go start these threads. Make sure you can really see that hole right there. Oop. And then we gotta tighten up those 410s. And let me make sure you put that thing back into idle before you start it. Let's check for leaks. Nice. That is nice. Ooh. And then before someone sues Capote for not cutting zip ties, get rid of these things. Nice and flush. Nice and flush. I'll probably add some. There we go. Well, that is the tractor side for the third function valve. And I'm gonna have to take a look at the rear remote it's getting now. Don't want to go too far and burn myself.